to earn extra money on your own schedule, becoming an Instacart driver could be the perfect side hustle for you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to sign up, what the requirements are, and the tips to get started fast. So let's get into it. Instacart is a grocery delivery service that connects customers with personal shoppers. As a driver, you'll pick up and deliver groceries to people's home, either shopping for them or just handling deliveries. Before you sign up, it's important to know that there are two types of Instacart rules. Full service shopper, you shop for groceries and deliver them to customers, and in-store shopper, you only shop for items inside the store and no driving involved. This video will focus on the full service shopper, which is the role where you'll drive and make deliveries. Here's what you'll need to get started as an Instacart driver. Be at least 18 years old, have a reliable car, a valid driver's license, and an auto insurance, smartphone, ability to lift 30 plus pounds, and if you meet these requirements, you're good to go. So step 1, apply online. Go to the shoppers.instacart.com or download the Instacart Shopper app. Fill out your personal information, including your name, phone number, and location. Complete a background check. Next, you'll authorize a background check, and this usually takes a few days, and they'll check your driving record and criminal history to ensure safety. Up the app. Once you're approved, download the Instacart Shopper app, log in, and set your availability. You can choose when you want to work, making it super flexible. And that is how you become a Instacart driver. It's a flexible gig that lets you work on your own time while earning extra cash. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.